Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of Pharmacy. So this is the informative video about the question paper of biochemistry. So prepare well, and this is the second semester biochemistry, and of this is 2017 to 18 question paper. So I want to discuss this. So if you are preparing, just look at this question paper and you get some idea how to prepare and what are the important topics, and sometimes it may be repeating of these questions. So I request you, and the first very short answers questions, so you know that 2 marks questions, so please concentrate very well on the 2 marks questions, of course everything. First question is denaturation of proteins and biological significance of ATP. One of the repeating question, that is biological significance of ATP, is one of the most important, and glycogen storage diseases, and this also, and atherosclerosis. Make a note that atherosclerosis and atherosclerosis, and both are important. So when they given the question, look at that properly whether it is a atherosclerosis or atherosclerosis. Okay, so just look at that carefully and you start attempting it. And the next one is the oxidative phosphorylation, and next phenylketonuria. And I want to tell you that there is definitely the biological significance of ATP and phenylketonuria. And next, RNA polymerase and gout diseases and holoenzym hydrolysis. So these are the 2 marks questions. So before you are writing these questions, just make a note. The question is small, but you should attempt every important aspect of these questions. Okay, you shouldn't leave at 5 lines also. Okay, most minimum 5 lines, and remaining your wish, but try to make a note that every important aspect of this question should be on the paper. Okay, and next, any 2 out of the 3, so answer, that is 10 marks questions. So they will give 3 as usual. You should attempt 2 questions. So write short notes on neogenesis and electron transport chain. So don't confuse that glycolysis, gluconeogenesis, and glycogenolysis. So you know the 3 basic pathways, right? So you don't confuse about this. And the second one is also the TCA cycle. Okay, and next, electron transport chain. Okay, these are the questions, and this is the one question out of 3. And second one is the write a brief note on the genetic code. So you should know the transcode, transcription, so everything you should attempt here. Okay, and next, write notes on formation. You should write formation flowchart as well as utilization of ketone bodies. So there is flowchart, 2 flowcharts, one is formation and next one is utilization. So okay, and next, allosteric enzyme regulation. So how the allosteric is regulated to the enzyme. Okay, and you know allosteric active site, so that is known as the allosteric. Okay, and next, answer any 7 out of 9. So exam, just make a note to see these questions. Okay, it may be helpful a lot. And next, biological role of lipids, hormonal regulation of blood glucose levels, what are uncouplers, beta oxidation of palmitic acid, urea cycle and its disorders, synthesis of dopamine, biological significance of vitamin D, and structures of DNA, and initiation of protein synthesis. Okay, these are the questions. And one thing, don't prepare the 2 marks questions also are only for as 2 marks. So just have a note on that to attempt it as a 5 marks question. Okay, so make sure that, and these 5 marks questions also, don't only prepare as a 5 marks question, just prepare yourself as it as a 10 marks question. Okay, but as it is a biochemistry, we have the cycles like TCA Krebs cycle, and next pentose phosphate pathway, and HMP shunt, you know that, and glycolysis, and these are the most important, and ketone bodies formation and utilization is one of the most important. So just definitely you should prepare these questions. Okay, and if you want any information regarding this, just make a comment. I'll definitely make a video about your comment. Okay, thank you.